BWEKERENYO umusike Jeremia Ongaro nigairaneirie oroboti igoro y'Obwagachi Bwe'Getii ekenene kia Manga ikio keirire gika KOERA kakoerera ase aya igase ya assembly ya county ya Nyamira umugasorera nigatebire EGETII EKIO nigokerochie KOERA kurendo MMC bwe nigere atebire na nerebuya baire chingaki irio kunenkia aria arokorirwe ase EGETII EKIO nonye nabo MMC bwe wodi yerigo momoske inyambega kisesa nigaborire nsemo yechigosori ye county ya Nyamira igore EGETII EKIO erio egosira chigosori.
And the statement which I am responding, point 1A, what was the original construction period to complete Manga Stadium? When Speaker, it was quoted, it was 183,920,269 cents. And the level of completion at this area, when Speaker, there are stages in which there was the area of perimeter wall, area of leveling of the ground, and the supply of water to that stadium to make it to a standard, Manga Stadium Pavilion, and even Manga football pitch and running track, that it has reached a point, it will be consumed very soon. Mr. Speaker, sir, what is the current position of this stadium? Much has been done, and whatever is going on, the report before me, and this way I'm happy that even Honorable Bwe'Getii is admiring the work which is before him. Mr. Speaker, the work in progress now, the sports promotion and areas where we have moved, there's work in progress of the stadium and pavilion, which is 80% done and almost 20% remaining to be complete. Mr. Speaker, 15% remaining for the pitch to be complete. Area of construction on how the water within the field is within the area of completion, the tracks within is done and the water is shown to area it's flowing.
Honorable Speaker, there is no VIP entrance, there is no exit in case of any stampede. So, Honorable Ongaro, I want to recommend through the Speaker that we need to visit the area to also ascertain the risk management which the minister has not answered in the statement, that are we ready to utilize the facility which has been there since 2014.
I just wish to request the chairman for this committee of gender and sports if they can reach out to even Shabana Football Club. Because, Mr. Speaker, this work is almost done. We've gone to our stadiums like Awendo, this is much better, so they can have a deal. They can come and play at our stadium in Manga.